Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video you are going to see the unboxing of the Samsung S20 FE 5G mobile. And coming to the pricing, this one is priced at 75,000 rupees, but I purchased this mobile for 41,000 rupees, and I will tell how I purchased it for 41,000 rupees, and even you can observe the seals and everything. And let's break the seal. Nothing mentioned on the top of the box. And coming to the color, I purchased this one cloud green, and coming to the variant, I purchased 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage. I will quickly break the seal here and let's see what are the contents we are getting inside. First, opening up the box, we can see the package now, handset itself, and here you can observe the handset. And next we are having some paperwork, looks like, yes. And we're having, of course, 15 watts adapter. Actually this one support wireless charging as well as 25 watts charging, but this one they given 15 watts only. And then we're having typical micro type C to type A cable, nothing else. And oops, we're having some one package here, and I think here you can observe this image ejector pin and some paperwork. That's all, nothing, no case, nothing. This is how the package comes. I will keep these things aside and let's have a look at the handset now. Guys, this is the Samsung S20 FE 5G. In previous, I am using my Samsung Note 10 Lite mobile. You can observe the differences in the sizes. Now I quickly turn on this, and before that, let's peel off the stickers. Also this. Actually, this one is made up with a plastic bag and no metal, nothing. And we're having a triple camera setup and a flash here. Let's switch on this and let's have a look at the things now. Before getting booting up, first have a look on the overview. On the top you can observe the SIM tray, and let's open this. So it is a dual SIM, and also even you can insert your memory card also, so nice to see that. And also this mobile is support IP68 water and dust resistant. And on the top you're having secondary noise cancellation mic. Sides we're having volume up and volume down buttons and power on off key. And on the bottom we're having a single speaker and type C port and primary microphone, and on the sides nothing. And on the top also you can observe the speaker wheel. This one supports the stereo speakers. And quickly set up this device and have a look at the after boot up. Guys, now I am ready with the setup of this device, and even you can observe this is the typical area of the Samsung. And going to settings and search for the storage and RAM, how much you are getting free. Coming to the storage, if you go for, so coming to the storage, we're having 19% is used, which means 24.39 GB is used. I didn't install any apps, just now connect to the Wi-Fi, and the apps which are available in the Samsung are updating background. So coming to the free storage, around we are getting around, you will get 104 GB of free storage. And coming to the display, this one is support 120 Hz screen, guys. I will show it to you, and here you can see motion smoothness. I set it as high, even you can apply in standard also, it will show like this. So I set it as apply high mode. And next I will quickly share some of the samples of the camera too. And also this mobile is having 3 cameras on the back and a single camera at the front, and here are the samples of this one. That's all about the unboxing of the Samsung S20 FE 5G mobile, guys, and I will use this mobile for a couple of days and I will share the review of this mobile. Meanwhile, I will share the camera review as well as the gaming review of this mobile and as soon as possible. And stay tuned by subscribing to Tech Bunny channel. And also, if you want to purchase any product from Amazon or Flipkart, I will leave the links in the description box. Feel free to check those products. It really helped the channel upgrade too. That's all about the video, guys, and thanks guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next.